Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recordings on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So first, let's just launch the settings app and scroll down to advanced features. Then click to the screenshots and screen recordings. Here you'll see the show taps and touches switcher. Just to turn them on or turn them off, we should use the switcher, and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that, just how we can launch the screen recording settings. We first open notification panel shortcuts, and then we'll see here this screen recorder icon. Just hold for a while this icon to launch the screen recorder settings and to switch on or switch off the screen touches in our screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.